Okay, and we're back with question 2 of section 1A for linear algebra. So what we have here is extremely simple. We need to show that something cubed equals 1. How do we do that? Well, we expand the cube and see if it equals 1. So the way to show that is split it up into the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation. So we take just the left-hand side and we want to calculate or manipulate it until it becomes 1. And then we've proven down here that it equals the right-hand side. And that's how you show that it equals 1. So very simple. You can distribute this cube to the top and the bottom to make it a bit easier on yourself, and then expand the cubic and the top. So quick trick to do that is do Pascal's triangle. So you go 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1, and then so this is 0 1 2 3 for cubic. So these are going to be your coefficients of your cubic, and hopefully you've done this in high school or something, but if you haven't, go look up how to do a binomial expansion. So this is called binomial expansion. Okay, now if we simplify that further by calculating everything out, remember I squared is -1, I cubed is I times I times I, which is -1 times I. Those are just key points when you're doing that. Get this. Wow, magically these two things, they cancel out, and you get -1 plus 9, which is 8 over 8, which equals 1, which is the right hand side. Also, when I put exclamation marks, it just means I'm excited, and that's usually how I end a proof. So ignore those, they're not part of it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.